Okay guys, welcome back to our 1 minute gardening tips on how to propagate strawberries. This is a gift from Tikala Natural Farms, and most varieties of strawberries produce runners also known as stolons. These runners will eventually develop their own roots, resulting in a clone plant. So propagation of strawberry is crucial with the soil mixture. If you choose to root in a pot, go with something about 3 to 4 inches in diameter for your potting medium. Fill the pots with moist peat. In our case, we use 10% soil, 10% compost, and 80% sawdust. Again, look for the stolons and then sink them into the ground near the mother plant, so you make sure the potting medium will be close to the mother plant. Lay each runner on top of the potting medium and anchor in place with a rock or piece of wire. In our case, we use wood or a stick wood, it's bamboo. Water thoroughly, then about 4 to 6 weeks there should be enough root growth to clip them away from the mother plant. Here you go guys, so we started with one and now we have three. This is the first offspring basically. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you get something out of this video, and click the thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell below. You'll get updated with our next video uploads. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on our next video. Bye.